Hello children, this is 5th standard maths, chapter name is percentage. Now percentage here, money and metric measurement as percentages. Percentages is often used in connection with the money, means certain shop fare 25% off or up to 70% on lifestyle, okay, up to 70% or only 25% or 30%. So person money is always connected with percentage. You must have noticed this in advertisement. For example, 10% off on saree or 15% off on shoes. Example. Let us learn express paisa or percentage of a rupee. When anything is in 100, so when denominator is 100, so we can consider the numerator as a percentage value. Now 100 paisa equal 1 rupee. To convert paisa into rupee, this is 1 by 100. Means cross multiplication means we can 1 paisa equal 1 by 100 of rupees. So 1 paisa to convert into rupees means 1%, because when denominator are 100 form, then it is a percentage form. So we can write numerator then percentage symbol. 2 paisa equal 2 by 100, so we can write 2% of rupees. 50 paisa equal 50 by 100, so we can write 50% of rupee. Similarly, we can convert metric measurements into percentage. 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. So here 1 centimeter equal 1 by 100 of meter. To convert centimeter into meter, we can write 1 by 100. 1 by 100 of a meter. So here when denominator 100, then we can directly write the numerator as a percentage. So 1%. So 5 centimeter means to convert into meter is 5 by 100. So we can consider 5% numerator. Denominator is 100. At the same time 1000 grams equal 1 kg. Look at here, the forms are 100, but here 1000. So 1000 to convert grams into kg means we have to write the grams value into 100. Here also we can write 100, but we get the same value. Okay. So here 1000 1 gram into 100, or we can convert it. Now exercise 9.7. Write each of the following as percentage of rupees. Write each of the following as percentage of rupee. Now here 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, that we written there. Now we have to write the answer. Write each of the following percentage as rupees. So 40 paisa means how to write 40. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So 40 paisa is equal to question mark, cross multiplication method. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 40. Now here convert 40 paisa. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 40 paisa is equal to question mark. So 1 into 40 divided by 100. So to convert paisa into rupees means 40 divided by 100. 40 divided by 100. So it means 40 divided by 100 rupee. Rupee. So here it means 40 percentage. First to convert directly we can write the numerator 40 percentage. Now 19 paisa to convert into rupees means 19 by 100 rupee. So how to write 19 by 100 rupees. So denominator are 100 means it is in a percentage form. So we can directly write 19 percentage. Now here 8 paisa, third one. 8 paisa means 8 by 100. So this is in rupees form. To convert paisa into rupees means 8 by 100. So we can write 8 percentage. 8%. To convert paisa, first convert paisa into rupees. So 23 by 100 paisa. 23 by 100 paisa. Okay, 23 by 100 rupees to convert that into paisa into rupees means it is 23 by 100. So we can write 23 percentage. 62 paisa to convert into rupees means first convert into rupees, that is 62 by 100. So it becomes 62 percentage. Okay. Now be mind, rate each of the following as a percentage of meters. So meters 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Write each of the following has a percentage of a meter. To convert into meter. So to convert into meter means of 1% of rupee you can write here, also of rupee you can write here. Now we have to 100 centimeter is given. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 means 100 only, no? So here 1 meter, it means 100 percentage of meter. 100% of meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100. So we can directly write 100% of meter. That is the answer. Now here, second question, 90 meters. 90 meter mean 1 centimeter 1 by 90 by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. To convert 90 centimeter equal to question mark, cross multiplication method, 90 by 100. To convert meter into centimeter means centimeter into meter. To convert centimeter to meter means we have to express 90 by 100. 1 meter is equal, this is a standard measurement. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 90 meter equal question mark means 90 by 100. Here also 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. We can directly write first question. So 90 by 100 means we can write 90% of meter, because it is in meter. This is the answer. Okay, 90%. 80 centimeter to convert into meter means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. For 890 is question mark. At the same time 80 by 100 cross multiply means to convert into centimeter into meter mean 80 by 100. So we can get 80 by 100 means when denominator is 100 form means it is a percentage of meter. This is the answer. Now the fourth question, 10 centimeter. So 10 by 100 meter. So here we can write 10% of meter. Now 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 1 by 100. So we can write 1% of meter. This is the answer, children. So now here Siemens, write each of the following as a percentage of a kilograms. So here gram is given. Now we have to convert in percentage of kilogram. So find the standard measurement. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So here 90 gram. 90 gram is equal to question mark. Cross multiplication means 1000 into 90 by 1. Cross multiplication means we can write 90 by 90 into 1 divided by 1000. So it means to convert grams into kg means we have to divide with 1000. So in previous question, to convert paisa into rupees means divided by 100, and to convert centimeter into meter means divided by 100. With the write the standard units. Then what we have to find, 90 gram we have to convert into kg. 90 gram we have to convert into kg. So write 90 is how much? 90 into 1 divided by 1000 means to convert into grams into kg means in the given measurement divided by 1000. So again it is not, denominator is not in 100 form. Again we have to find the, when denominator is 100 form means that is only the percentage value, numerator only the percentage value. Okay, so here, so denominator is 100 form, here also 100 form, then the numerator only the percentage value. But here denominator is 1000 form. When denominator 100 form means we can write 90% of kgs. So here we have to convert into percentage means multiply the kg form into multiply with 100. 0 0 cancel. 90 by 10. 90 by 10 means now 90 by 10. 10 ones are 10 nines are 9% of kilo. 9% of kg. 9% of kg. Now 900 by grams. 900 gram to convert into kg means 900 by 1000 grams. Standard form. Given measurement into divided by 1000, and we have to find the percentage means denominator is not in 100, so into 100. 2 0 2 0 cancel, 1 0 1 0 cancel, remaining is 90. So 90% of kg. 90% of kg. Now next 9 grams. So 9 by 1000 into 100. Convert into gram into kg. 9 by 1000 means it convert into kg. Percentage means into 100. 0 0 cancel. 9 by 10. 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means 0 point means because 90 we get 90, 9s are 10 9s are 90, 0.9% of kg. 2 grams, to convert into grams, 2 by 1000 into 100. So 2 zeros cancel, 2 ones are 2 fives are 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Now 1 by 5 means 0.2% of kg. Okay. Now 1000 grams. So 1000 by 1000 into 100. So you get equal percent. 1000 cancel. So 100% of kg. Or we can write directly 100. Now find exercise 9.8. Find 5% of 20. 5% of 20 means 5 percentage means outright by 100. Always percentage means the number, given number divided by 100. Of 20 means into 20. So 0 0 cancel because up and down. One up and down we can cancel numerator and denominator. But we can't cancel or reduce numerator and numerator. Numerator and denominator. 20 is numerator because this is above the line, by 1 is there. No number means to convert into fraction means by 1 is there. Then both the numbers should be divided with the same tables. Then only we can cancel. So here 0 0 cancel and 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So answer is 1. Answer is here 1. 5% of 20 means 1. Now 10% of 80. We have to find 10 percentage means 10 by 100. Anything percentage means divided by 100 we have to write into the given number 80. 0 0 cancel. Then 10 into 8 is 80 divided by 10. So 10 ones are 10 8s are. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. Now third question, 8% of 64. 8% means outright 8 by 100 into 64. 8 and 64 we can cancel? No, we can't reduce the value there or cancel because both are numerator. One is up, first floor, and ground floor. We can cancel. Means numerator, denominator. Above the line is numerator, below the line is down one is denominator. So here we can't cancel because both the number will multiply, divide with the same table. 8 ones are 8 ones are 8 8s are, but we can't. It is a wrong method because numerator and numerator. Okay, numerator and denominator we can cancel up and down. So here we can't cancel, both are numerator, and last is 0 4 even numbers. Numerator and denominator we can cancel. So with 2 ones we can try. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again last here 0, here 2, or with this also we can cancel. Here also we can cancel, or here anywhere. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now 4 into 32 divided by 25. 4 into 32 is 128. 128 divided by 25. After division you get 5.12. 5.12. Divide it and change. Here no place. Now fourth question, 3% of 300 means 3 by 100 into 300. 100 ones are 100, 100 threes are 300. Now 3 into 3 is 9. Now here, fifth question, 25% of 500. 25% of 500, 25 by 100 into 500. 100 ones are 100, 100 fives are 500 because numerator, denominator. Now 25 fives are 125. Now 12% of 1000 means 12 by 100 into 1000. 20 cancel. 12 into 10 is 120. 30% of 480 means 30 by 100 into 480. 0 cancel, and this 0 cancel. 3 into 48. 3 into 48 means 144 liter. After multiplication, even 144 liter. 40% of 80 kg. So 40 by 100 into 80. 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 4 8s are 32 kg. Now 64% of 6000 means 64 by 100 into 6000. 2 zeros cancel. 64 into 60. 64 into 60 after multiplication given 3840. Now 150 of 100 meters. So 150% means 150 by 100 we have to write into 100 meter. This 100 is cancelled. 150. Next, B main, what percentage? So 12 of 60, what percentage means? So 460, total out of 60, 12 is given. So here we have to find a percentage. For out of 60, 12 is a marks or something. So out of 60, 12. For 100, percentage means always calculated on 100. For 100, how much? So for out of 60, 12 is a value. Out of 60, 12 is a 4. For 100 percentage means always 100. This way also we can write. Or for 60, 12 is a marks or something. For 60, 12. For 100, how much? Cross multiplication means 100 into 12 divided by 60. Okay. Or out of 60, 12 is given. For 100, how much? 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 into 10 is 20 percentage. Okay. 20 of 80 means out of 80 is 20. Out of 80 is 20 marks. For 100, how much? So 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. To carry 4 fives are 25 percentage. Now 24 of 72 means out of 72 is 24 is given. For 100, how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 1 carry, 2 sixes are 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. 100 by 3. 100 by 3 means 100 threes are 33. Again 33.33. Divide it, you get 33.33 percentage. Now here fourth question, 7.5 of 30. 7.5 of 30 means out of 30 7.5 for 100 how much? 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 carry. 1 carry. This decimal point we have to write here only. 3 fives are 15. 2.5 into 100. 2.5 into 100 means 250 into 100 means 25 into 100 is 250. Ignore the decimal point. 25 into 10 is 250. Now after one digit decimal point, now put decimal point. So it is 25 percentage. 25 by 0.0 means 25 percentage. This is mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. To convert into improper fraction means we have to write here into a plus. Okay. So write the denominator first. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 of 10 by 10. 5 by 2, convert this 5 by 2 of 10 into 100. 0 0 cancel. Now 5 by 2 into 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25 percentage. 75% of 300. So out of 300, 75 is a score. Out of 300, 75 is a score into 100. 100 ones are 100 threes are. Then now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. Now 25 into 1 is 25 percentage. Exercise 9.9 story sum now. First one, Ramesh gets a monthly salary of rupees 9,500. So monthly salary is 9,500 rupees. He pays 10% of it as rent. Means 10% of its means we have to calculate 10%. 10% means 10 by 100 with this amount. So 9,500 into 10 by 100 we have to calculate. What is his monthly rent he pays? So 9,500 is monthly salary. 10% he pay for a rent. So 9,500 into 10%. Now Ramesh gets 9,500 his salary. Okay. In that 10% of its rent. So what is his monthly rent he pays? So therefore monthly rent now 9,500 from this 9,500 is salary into 10% means 10 by 100. 10 by 100. Now 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 950. So what is his monthly rent? 950 amount. So monthly rent is 950. 950 rupees. Monthly rent is 950. Now, after that second question, Ramesh gets 16 out of 25. Means 16 divided by 25 means. In his monthly test in English, means out of 25, 16. Express his marks as percentage. Okay. So here, two way we can try. Directly we can try. So marks means out of 25, 16 he get. Out of 25, 16 is get. How much for 100? This is a way. So out of 25, 16 is English marks. For 100, how much? One more way means here for 100, for 25 marks, 100 percentage. For 25 marks, 100%. So he scores 16 marks, how much? For 25 marks, 100 is a percentage full. For 25, if he score means he get 100 percentage. For 16 marks, what is a percentage? Cross multiply means 16 into 100 divided by 25. 16 into 100 divided by 25. Or directly we can write without cross multiplication. Out of 25, 16 is score. For 100, how much? Okay. Now 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. Now 16 into 4. 16 into 4 is how much? 16 fours are 64 percentage. So marks is 64 percentage. Next is third question. A school worked 220 days in a year. A school worked 220 days in a year. Gopal was absent for 22 days. So total working days is 220 days. And so Gopal was absent for 22 days. Find his attendance percentage for the years. So here directly we can write total working days 220. So Gopal present we have to calculate total working days 220 in a year. So Gopal present we have to calculate out of 220, from 220 he 22 days. Okay, 222 is a total working day. So Gopal present we have to print. Gopal attendance of Gopal. So Gopal. Out of 220, he was absent for 22 days. So here total 20 days, from then 22 days, working days is 220. Gopal was absent 22 days. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Now here 1, 21. 21 minus 2 means 90. 20, 21. 190 days. So this is a presence. Attendance of Gopal. 190 days is the attendance of Gopal. Total attendance of Gopal. Total attendance of Gopal is 198. So out of 220 days, Gopal present 198. So 100 how much? So one more method we can try here. Total 220 days if he present means he get 100% attendance. For 220, 100 total. We can't write more than this. Total present working days is 220. For 220, 100 is a percentage. For Gopal present 198, what is the percentage? 220, 100 is a percentage. 190 how much? 190 cross multiply means 190 into 100 divided by 220. 190 into 100 divided by 220. Or we can write directly out of 220, 190 is a present. For how much? For 100. Okay. Now cancel it. Yeah. 0, 0 can cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are. 2 5s are 10. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 8s are 11 ones are 11. 11 means 8 remainder. So 88. 11 8s are 88. Now 18 into 5. 18 5s are 90. So 90 is the find the attendance percentage for the year. Is 90%. Gopal attendance percentage 90%. Gopal attendance percentage is 90%. Now fourth question. 30% of the student in class 5th are girls. Okay. 30% of the student in class 5th are girls. If the strength of the girls class is 50. So total strength of the class is 50. In that 30% are girls. Find the number of girls and the number of boys in the class. So here we can directly write 30%. 50. If any percentage is given means we have to calculate with the actual amount, total amount. So 30% is given. 30% means 30 divided by 100 girls. Okay. 30 divided by 100 into what is the total strength? 50. Always percentage is calculated on the total things or given things. So total strength means in total in a class 50 students are in 5th standard. 30% means 30 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 15. So here girls total girls is 15 numbers. 15 numbers. Total girls are 15 numbers. 15 ones are 15. Answer is 15 numbers. Now we have to find the number of girls and number of boys in the class. So if total 50, out of 50, 15 are girls, the remaining are boys. Or the 100 out of 100%, 30% are girls. So what is the 100 minus 30 means 70% are boys. So 70 divided by 100 into 50 we can calculate, or we know that total 50 students in a class. So in that out of 50, 15 are girls. So remaining are boys. So boys, total strength is 50. In that 15 are girls. Total strength minus girls. Total strength minus girls. 50 minus 15. How much? 35 is a boy strength. 35 numbers is the answer. 35 boys. Now next, fifth question. The strength of a school is 750. 60% of them attended a film show arranged by the school. How many did not attend the show? The strength of school is 750. Total strength of the school is 750. For example, strength of our Kaveri school is 750 members. 60% of them attended a film show arranged by the school. So some film show arrangement, in that film show only 60% student are attended. 60% student are attended. So were not attended and 40% are not attended. Okay. How many did not attend the show? Okay. Total 750. How many did not attend the show? Not percentage. If percentage means we can directly say 100 minus 60 is 40% or not attended the show. Now we have to find how many did not attend the show. So out of 100%, minus 60% are attended. So 40% is not attended. So percentage is, this is not attended film show. Okay, not attended film show, 40%. Now we have to find percentage is given is means always we have to calculate with the total things, total strength. So 750 into 40 are not attended, 60 are attended. For always percentage means it is calculated on 100. So 60 are attended, 40 are not attended. So 750 into 40 by 100. 40 by 100. Because 60 are attended the show. So remaining is 40%. 40 are not attended the show. Always percentage is given means percentage means 40 divided by 100 into given number, total strength. 0, 0 cancel and this 0 is cancelled. Now 75 into 40. 75 into 40 is how much? 75 into 40 is 75 was 300. So how many did not attend the show? Number of people not attended the show. How much? 300. Answer is 300. Now sixth question. In a class of 50 boys, 10 play hockey, 15 play football and the rest do not play any game. What percentage of the students play hockey or football? What percent do not play any games? So in a class of 50 boys play. In a class of 50 boys, 10 play hockey, 15 play football and the rest do not play any game. What percentage of students play hockey or football? What percent do not play any games? In a class of 50 boys, 10 play hockey, 15 play football. So here number of students are given. 10 numbers play for hockey, 15 numbers play football and rest do not play any games remaining. 50 minus 10 is 40. 40 minus again 15 means 30, 25. that 25 members do not play any game. What percentage of the student play hockey? Percentage. The number is given. Now we have to find the percentage. What percentage of the student play hockey or football? What percent do not play any games? So here we have to find percentage. What percentage student play hockey? What percent of student play game? Percentage we have to find here. So here first one is hockey. Hockey, what percent? So what is the total strength? 50. Out of 50, 10 play hockey. No? Percentage we have to find. So out of 50, 10 play hockey. For what is for percentage means 100. Okay. 10 out of 50 student, 10 student play hockey game. For a 100 how much means percentage means always calculate on 100. For percentage means 100 how much. So 0 up and down we have to cancel. 0 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 20. So what is the percentage? 20%. So hockey is 20 percentage. Hockey is 20%. Next we have to check football. Ball. Okay. Out of 50, 15 members play. Out of 50, 15 members play football. Out of 50, 15 members play football. For 100, how much? Okay. 0, 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then this is a reducing value. 15 into 2. 15 into 2 is 30 percentage. Now we have to find student play hockey, football. What percentage do not play any games? What percentage do not play any games? Here only we can see the answer. Total always percentage is 100. So 20 hockey, 30 football. So 20 plus 30 is 50%. So remaining is 50% do not play any game. So here percentage of hockey and football is total percentage. Total percentage of hockey and total percentage of hockey and football. 20 plus 30 means 50 percentage. Total percentage of hockey and football means 20 plus 30 is 15%. So here hockey we have to find. So out of 50, 10 members play for hockey. So 100 how much means after simplifying 20%. Football, out of 50 students, 15 members play football. For 100 how much means into 100. So after simplifying we get 30%. Total hockey and football strength is 20 plus 30 means 50 percentage. Now what percentage do not play any game? The percentage of student who do not play any game. Any game since 50%. So total 100%, 50 are playing hockey and football. 50 are playing hockey and football. 20 plus 30 means 50. So remaining 50 are not playing any games. That is 50%. Number of students who are not playing any games is 50 percentage. So here the 7th question. Lakshman Lal owned property worth of rupees 60,000. Okay, this property value is 60,000. He gave 75% of his property to his wife. Okay, in that 75% of property to his wife. So it means percentage is given, means percentage is always calculated as total things or total strength. The given amount. So here total property worth is 60,000. 75% means how to calculate? 60,000 into 75 divided by 100. Percentage means always divided by 100. 75 divided by 100. And his property to his wife. 15% of his son means 60,000. Always calculate on the total strength. 60,000 into 15 divided by 100. And the remaining to charity. So here percentage means always 100. Total is amount, percentage 100. 75 plus 15 means 75 plus 5, 80, 90. 90%. Total 90%. 75% for now here. So 10%, 75 plus 15 is 80, 90. 90% for his family. So then 10% for charity. Okay, remaining charity means 10% for charity. What we have to find here, what amount were received by his wife and son. So here first we have to find property received by wife. You write the sentence and run. I am writing in short form wife. Property received by wife. So always percentage is given means we have to calculate with the total amount. 60,000 is a total property value. In that 75% for wife means 75% means 75 by 100. Total things into percentage given for wife is 75%. So total property value is 60,000. So 60,000 into 75 divided by 100. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100. Both will divide with 25 ones are tables. Now here 25 threes are 25, threes are 75, 25 fours are 100. Now 4 ones are we can try. 4 ones are 4 to carry. And yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Both will divide, multiply with 4 ones are tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 means 2 remainder. 4 no 5 6 here 6 is there. 2 remainder means together is 20. 4 5s are 20. Okay, then 0 0 0. 15,000. 15,000. Okay, now 15 into 3. 15 3s are 45. So 45,000 amount is 45,000 rupees. Rupees 45,000. Okay, 60,000 is a total property value. In that 75% means 75 divided by 100 and simplified. Next, son. What we son means, so here also we have to find with the total things. 60,000 is a property value. In that son 75% to his property to his wife and 15% to his son. So 15 divided by 100. 2 zeros cancel. Okay, now 600 into 15 we have to multiply. 615 means 9,000. 15 6 9,000. 990 9,000 rupees. 9,000 to his son. Now here, out of distance of 1500 kilometers. Out of distance of 1500 means total distance here there 1500. Money's traveled 60%. So percentage is given. So out of total is 6,500. 1,500 into 60 divided by 100. If we want to calculate percentage travel by bus means 60 divided by 100 into total travel, total amount or total things what is given. So here distance travel kilometer 1,500 into 60 divided by 100 bus means. And the rest by the train. Rest by the train means percentage. So 60 or 100 minus 60 is by bus. So 40%, always percentage means 100. So from 100, 60% he travel by bus. So 40% is by train. Find the distance. Money is travel by bus and by train. So here out of distance of 1500 kilometers, money is travel 60% by bus and the rest by the train. Find the distance money is travel by bus and by train. Now first we have to find by bus. By bus. So here total 1500 distance traveled. 60% is bus, it is given in the question. Percentage means always calculate on the total things. So it is kilometer. 0 0 cancel and this 0 is cancel. Now 150 into 6. 150 into 6. 15 6 are 90. So 90 plus this 0 is 900 kilometers. 900 kilometer. Bus is 900 kilometer. Now by train. By train we know that from 100% 60% is 60 from 100%, 60% he travel by, always percentages means 100, in that 60% he travel by bus, so remaining is 40% we have to calculate. 1500 into 40 divided by 100, 0 0 cancel, this 0 0 cancel, and now 150 into 4, first multiply 15 into 4, 15 4s are 60 plus this 0 600. So 150 into 4 multiply and check, you get the same answer, 160 600 kilometer. That's it, children. So you have to remember main thing, if percentage is given means, percentage means we have to write the numerator, 40% means 40 divided by 100 divided by 100, always we have to write like that. Denominator we have to write in the form of fraction, then into total things if percentage is given, or find the percentage means out of how much and the given number numerator into 100. Next, ninth one, Neha got 68% in Hindi test. How many marks out of 25 is this? How many marks out of 25 did he get in English if she got 72%? Neha got 68% in a Hindi test. How many marks out of 25? So here out of 25 means marks is out of 25. 25 he get 68%. So out of 2 marks is given. So 25 into 68 we have to find 25, no, so here out of is given, marks is not mentioned. How many marks out of 25 is this? How many marks out of 25 did she get in English if she got 72%? Now here Neha got 68% in Hindi test. So here Hindi test, Hindi marks or Hindi test. So here out of 25 into total is 25 marks. The total marks means FA3, FA1, FA2 formative assessment test 25. Neha got 68% in percentage. So total marks is this much out of, in that 68% is Hindi marks. So we can calculate 25 into total marks into percentage. Percentage means we have to write always a given number divided by 100. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 2 carry, 4 sevens are 28. So marks is 17. 17 marks for Hindi. Now we have to find 25%. How many marks out of 25 she get in English, and if she got 72. Hindi over English if she got 72%. So English marks. So 25 into 72%, 72 by 100. We know 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 means 3 remainder. And now 32. 3 remainder together is 32. 4 8s are 32. So our marks is 18. What is the marks? 18. Hindi marks is 17 and English marks is 18. Okay, now 10th question. Asha's examinations marks were English 12 by 15, Hindi 18 by 20, Maths 18 by 25. Change the result to percentage and arrange them in ascending order. Now 10th question. Asha's examination marks were English 12 by 15 means denominator is 15 means out of 15 12 marks. Hindi 18 by 20, so it means out of 20 18 marks. Okay, total is 20. And Maths is 18 by 25, so 25 out of 25 18 is the marks. So here fraction form is given, just we have, if you want to find percentage means into 100 into 100 into 100. It is very easy. They are already given with the fraction form. Okay, for part of the out of 15 12 is a Hindi marks, English marks. Out of 20, 18 part is Hindi marks. Out of 25, 18 is a max marks. So here total marks are different. And change the result to percentage and arrange them in ascending order. So fraction is given. Now we have to find the percentage. English marks. So 12 by 15 already they given in a fraction form. It means out of 15, 12 is a English marks. So into 100. Now 15 and into 100. Which tables it will multiply? 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 0 0. Okay. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 4 into 20 is 4 2s are 80 percentage. 80 percentage. English marks is 80 percentage. Then English over. Next Hindi. Hindi marks. Already they mentioned with the fraction 18 by 20. It means out of total 20, she scored 18. Sorry. 20 and 18. Out of 20, she scored 18. Ashana into 100. Now 0 0 cancel. Then 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. 9 into 10. 9 into 10 means 9 into 10 is 90 percentage. So Hindi marks is 90 percentage. Oh, then max marks. This is a class test, I think, because the marks, total marks is not uniform. Okay, class test. Then max marks out of 25, 18 is a max marks. Out of 25, 18 is a max marks. For 100, how much? Okay, it is already, fraction form is already given. Just we have to write, fraction form is already given. Just we have to write into 100. Here also already fraction form is given. Just we have to write 100. In the fraction is given in already question. Just we have to write 100. Don't confuse children. Now 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. Now here 18 into 4. 18 fours are 72 percentage. 72 percentage.